Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. Screen protector replacement. Remove the old screen protector. Unbox the new screen protector. After that, clean the phone screen. Use the wet wipe to clean the phone screen. Install the new screen protector. Press and slide to activate the adhesive and let it sit for 30 seconds. Remove the mounting bracket. Remove the protective film. After that, remove the bubbles on the screen. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.